I don't know if you guys can see me, but guys, please help me. I have this thing and it's so painful. Like, and tomorrow I'm going to see people. And manje. I don't know if I'm gonna show you. Guys, it is stressing me out, but wait, let me do this. I don't know what to do, guys. Please help me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sorry, yeah. Thank you so much. Pop it. I'm trying so hard to pop it. Sworn, I'm trying so hard. But it's so painful. Like, mawaka ya buza no. Like, ya buza. You guys, it's so painful. And it's not painful, ne? I don't know. Haki guys, I don't know how to explain this, but I'm stressed. I'm going somewhere tomorrow. It's like I'm not going somewhere. People are coming to my house tomorrow. So I need to look. Wait, my mom is trying to call someone. It's tough, man. People are not going to. Don't touch it, yo. Nah, like I don't know. I'm correct, yes. I'm correct, guys. Like it's bad. It is so bad. Like every time, but this time in it last. I don't know why. I tried putting a tea bag. I tried putting hot vaslap with salt. I tried self. I tried everything, Joe. It's not painful. It was painful, but now it's not painful. I'm phone color, Joe. I'm phone. Corner guys. People say that. People are saying that, hey, if you know someone that is pregnant. Yo, it's hot. It's hot, guys. My mom is burning. It is burning. Not it is burning. Guys, kids is wrong. Apparently, it has to do with greed. Jan manj, ayang lahl. Uyang lahling impela. So guys, kids is wrong. And nobody's gonna speak about how glowing her skin is. Thank you so much. Thank you. Just leave it. I'm like, tomorrow is gonna be a busy day and people are gonna come, they're gonna see me, but it's not that bad. It is not, ne? But since last week, guys, last week Friday till today, I need help. Put on glasses tomorrow. You know, one thing about me, I love my face. Ne? I hate putting glasses on, guys. Like, because I love my face so much. So when I put on glasses, I only put glasses when I have to watch TV or when I'm at church because when I'm screen and people are on the stage and I want to see them. But no, Yana. I can make it as well. Thank you so much. I can make it as well. Okay. So, but it's fine. Yes, it's not bad. It's not. I'm bored at you. Apply eyes. Eyes, it show me. I tried. Makere. I tried everything. I tried everything, Joe. Sayas manj. Sayas. By the way, guys, I'm using a filter, ne? So don't think. But my skin is like this. Let me show you. This is me without the filter, and this is me. Wait, with the filter. What's one? I wanna if get us so. There's a filter. Let me show you without the filter. I don't know why I'm using it, but for fun, you know. Okay, let me put on my filter. It's okay. Zopola. I will heal. Mata, I tried to go, ne, but I didn't have time. I had to go to Bloom, and I can Bloom. Guys, and I have to like call my taxi because kids have a Uber or Berekisa. Can I get bolt in drive? Get hard because it's December now, so I have to go. Why don't you see downtown? Maybe I can go. Way back downtown, guys. Downtown, it's traffic, so nje. Mata sa nketsa jalo hle matshekgohle a se di I'm fighting for my life. I'm fighting for my life. Can I see your nails? Okay, let me show you because I love you. These are my nails. I don't know if you can see them. Can you see them? Sas. I want to filter key. Mafra. I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyways, guys, my family is here. Everyone is here. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. One thing about me, I love my family. I love being around my family because, like, you know, I love watching them grow and just, you know, I love it. I don't know. Like, Jay, I just love being around my family. But I love them, you know. How you want to see my nails again? Okay. Yeah. We're in Joburg. My babe, I'm in Bloom. Get Bloom. What's the thing that brought you closer to God? Eh? Uncle Sibongile, my favorite person, because yeah. Thank you so much. Yes, especially in Bloom. Oh, happy Bloom inyani so nje. Thank you so much. Who's this, Maz? Guys, stop it. Stop it. This thing is stressing me, guys. I pray tomorrow it because this thing is so irritating. Like, guys, look at this. Oh, Maria Boots, guys. Labon, took say to her. Labon. Yeah, Kosiam. Atlena. Koralangi. Mani. I know you don't have to like, mention it. Happy guys, TikTok to Milao. We put it wrong. I said TikTok is sensitive. Like it is so sensitive. Like about the child. I don't want man, yes. I don't want man. I'm okay, yo. I'm alright. Thank you so much. I had one when the month started. And I was, sorry guys, I can't see ne. So please don't judge. I was crying and praying to God. The next day it was gone. So Faban, matter I cried to God. Yes, I cried and I told him even when the event started, King One Accord, I wanted to go to One Accord. And like I did go with I think it started the go straight. And then when I had to come to Bloom, I wanted to do my lashes because I love lashes so much because they make sense. But even when you don't want to do makeup, you just put on lashes because lashes just, but no, you have this thing we can't, Sifabano, my love. This is the only account that I have on TikTok, and then on Instagram, my handle is Sibongile Kajane _ I think. Yeah. So don't talk to anyone. Angazi why abantu bathanda ukuyenza njalo yazi bangibhora kanjani. Why uzenza njalo? Like why uzenza mina ungekho umuntu. Eish. Bored ke sana. Utla wa sharp. Atsiba utla fola. Yeah, ke tlo sharp masego. Thank you so much. I'm going to be okay. I'm gonna be okay. I used to. I'm Xhosa. Hey guys, something happened today. Hey. So my aunt, she's chilling with the family, right? And then she's like, hey, cause the mqomboti, yabona? So manje mqomboti umungata wandlala I can't some service. So mqomboti umungata mo. Mama antiza itlare ke kopa go gatlela mqomboti gona mqomboti o butsutseng. Yeah guys, ke nao ke tla ka mqomboti o sa butswang ene ke tla ka jack a ne ke sa itse go tla betso tsene dituku guys kana go ke tlo nyalwa. Yeah ke se gatso itse next time itse for mqomboti o butsutseng ke o jwang. I didn't know, but now I know. How old are you? I'm 23. I'm 23. Why? Also, hey, what's this? King.
Here it goes.
Ah.
Honale also when I got school back at the go in a rambo paychel. Thank you guys.
Got it goes.
I think the list be sister chocolate.
Okay, someone gave my mom this. Like kitty cows. I don't know, buying special things to you. Okay. Nice what? Nice package or what? Let's see. I'm just handing the too. We like things. Baggy goes. Sham. It's mighty smart to it's a bad. They're not bad. Yo guys, I'm gonna go to sleep because tomorrow is gonna be a big day for my brother, for my family, my brother. Busy tomorrow. I'm so excited, even though this thing is stressing me, and I pray good tomorrow. It's why I say today because oh my god. Sonje, thank you guys for joining. Thank you for listening to me, even though it's a water. even though ke bota masego please kusiam ke family ke tsa family. I'm so sorry but ke tsa family. Sa bua jwalo hlena ke mang KTB. Why all negative? Why with the jwalo? Wa bona for I'm venting to you. I'm telling you ukuthi yazini. I'm fighting for my life. We know it's gonna be worse tomorrow. How couldn't positive hanyani? Oh, thank you so much. Hi Tandolo too. Hey, I'm venting, Lana. Like I have this thing. It is so painful. Kosiam, and tomorrow there's something happening at my place. And I'm going to see people. Guys, I'm fighting for my life right now. But it's okay. I don't know what happened. And since since last week, Friday. Hopefully tomorrow he'll be right because there's no way. Until when? Guys. And I tried everything, Tandoloid. I tried everything. Everything. Gitibona, tea bag. Gitibona hot water with a slap. Giti itself. Listen to me. I tried everything. But still, let me show you. I'm using a filter now, ne? But now this is me without the filter. And this is my eye. I think it's gonna be where's the phone, guys? I told you guys I love my face. I hate putting on sunglasses. Phone. Did you try traditional method? Please tell me zoba right kulek. Ne? Cause now iyavutshwa manje yabona. Hey, TikTok is sensitive. TikTok is very sensitive. Let me stop. It's not painful, yes? Right, nje. Ahle Nelo. Is it Nelo? Nelo, please, ne? Please, ne? Please, ngiyacela tu. Please, not now. I don't need to hear that now. Please.
Whistle her.
Yeah, I'm gonna be okay. Super right. Tomorrow I'm gonna enjoy my day. Tomorrow is going to be a good day for me. Super right. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. I need to go. It's late, man. Thank you so much, Thandoletu. I'm gonna go to sleep now. I'm very tired, stressed, but I'm okay. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to pray. I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe I'll, in some lives. In bonus what's happening, but I don't think so. Because I met you for always there. Yeah, for always where. Okay, bye guys. Good night.